Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert USDC to USDT on Bitget. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Bitget wallet, which of course I have done right here. That's what interests you to know that Bitget ranks the largest platform for cryptocurrency copy trading and the third largest exchange for crypto derivatives. It provides a comprehensive range of crypto services, including crypto-to-crypto trading, spot trading, futures trading, margin trading, copy trading, AI trading bots, and Launchpad. So now that we know a bit of what Bitget is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to convert USDC to USDT on Bitget. Now from this homepage, you're going to find a couple tabs: buy crypto, markets, trade, copy, bots, and Web3 and OTC markets. So move your cursor to trade. Now you're going to have an extended menu: spot, features, margin, convert. Now head over to convert and select convert. And it's going to take you right into the convert window. So now that we're in this window, let's quickly work with this. Okay, so over here where you have from and you have this, okay. Okay, so from this window, we have this from and you have this to. So from the from tab, go ahead and select this currency that you have here and then change it to USDT because so USDC. Go ahead and search for USDC. Can you even type it here in the search bar? Okay, so select USDC and that's going to change. So from here we have two, you're going to have to change it to USDT. So click on the coin right there where you have BGB. Now that we've clicked on that, we're going to have to select USDT. Select USDT. And that's going to change from USDC to USDT. Page is lagging a bit. Well, let's just hold it for a while and that's just going to come up. So as you can see, it has been changed from USDC to USDT. So in here, select the balance that you want to convert. So select the amount of USDC. So click on this where you have this amount, and so click here where you have this amount and go ahead and select the amount of USDC that you want to change. And once you enter the amount right here where you have USDT, you're going to get the amount you're going to get once you have converted USDC to USDT. So this page is seeming to not respond. But in here, just head over to the amount. Here, just click on the amount or type the amount, and you're going to see how much of USDT you're going to get. And once you do that, go ahead and click on preview. And once you click on preview, the next step is to confirm your transaction and to complete the transaction processes. Now, once that has been done, you will see that your amount, the amount of USDC that you entered, will be converted to USDT. So this is pretty much the process. You can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.